Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is 614,914 passengers travel every day to Johor Bahru Airport. 509,648 passengers travel to Malacca City Airport. 491,666 passengers travel to Kota Bahru Airport, and 372,712 passengers travel to Ipoh Airport. If the total number of passengers who travel through these four airports and Kuala Terengganu Airport altogether is 2,308,596 every day, then how many total passengers will travel through Kuala Terengganu Airport every day? Now, here, to solve this, let us write first what is given here. Firstly, number of passengers travel every day to Bahru Airport or Johor Bahru Airport are 509,648. Then to Malacca City Airport, it is here it is. First number is 614,914. Okay. Then through Malacca City Airport, it is 509,648. Then passengers who travel to Kota Bahru Airport, these are 491,666, and through Ipoh Airport, there are 372,712. Okay. Then from this, the total passengers who travel to these four airports, the total passengers who travel to four airports are 614,914 plus 509,648 plus 491,666 plus 372,712. Let us do the sum of all this. So the sum is 1,988,940. Okay. So the number of passengers who travel through Kola Terengganu Airport and those 4 airports are, we have given it as 2,308,596. Okay. Now from this we can calculate the total number of passengers who travel to Kola Terengganu Airport, and it is given by number of passengers who travel through Kola Terengganu Airport and the 4 airports, that is 2,308,596 minus total number of passengers who travel through 4 airports. So it is 1,988,940, and the number is 319,656. Okay.